100% brand new high-quality insulated crimp terminals connectors. Package includes fully, semi-female, male insulated Spade fork ring butt bullet piggyback quick disconnect insulated crimp terminals connectors. Package quantity, 540 pieces. Wire range, 22 to 16, red, 16 to 14, blue, 12 to 10, yellow, A.W.G. Selection of quality copper and PVC materials processing, comply with UL and RoHS standards. Top reviews from the United States. Great connectors. Great product for the money. Very easy to install and stays pretty sturdy on each of the gauge wires. Goodbye.